July. And with the holiday being just a week away, plenty of outdoor activities could be impacted by weather. Storms this time of the year can pack a punch, as we all know. Meteorologist Cory Smith joins us to talk about lightning safety. Good afternoon, Cory.
Yeah, Danielle, and we're right next to the Wolf River, kind of out near Shelby Farms. And the reason why we're near this water is to talk about being safe when it comes to these storms, when you're having those outdoor plans as you get closer to the 4th of July. In fact, this week is it's Lightning Awareness Week, so teaching you how to be safe. So let's take a look at those graphics, talking about the facts with lightning and what you can expect with that. It turns out 1 out of 3 lightning-related fatalities that are non-work happen near the water. So that's why we're out by the river right now. And between 2006 and 2021, there's been 444 lightning fatalities in the United States. July leads the ranking for the amount of monthly deaths when you take a look at those numbers. Here in Memphis last year, this is from 2023 data, saw 39 strikes per square mile, which turns out to be the 9th most in the United States for a city, and actually leads the country for a non-coastal city. So we see our fair share of lightning here. So it is important to know why it occurs in the first place. When it comes to thunderstorms, they have a lot of ice molecules in the middle and upper portions of the storm. That creates electric charge. That's that plus and minus that you're seeing on your screen. When those charges build up enough, we end up getting lightning. And there's 2 different types of lightning. There's negative lightning, which is most of the strikes that we see. It occurs near the rain base, and those can cause some injury or even death. But it's really those positive lightning strikes coming from the top of the cloud that pack a punch. We're talking up to 10 times stronger and can occur 15 miles away in some cases from these storms. So it might even be raining. And because they're so powerful, they often lead to fatalities. So with that being said, let's talk safety tips, what you can do to be safe. Of course, the old saying, when thunder roars, go indoors. If you can hear thunder, it's time to get inside and stay inside until that storm passes. If you are inside, though, you want to make sure you're going to stay off those wired electronics, and don't use any plumbing if you don't need to, because that electric current can travel through water. If you are outside, if you can't get indoors, a hardtop car is going to be your next best bet, but just want to make sure that you know those picnic pavilions aren't the safest places to be. With all of that being said, it's been a gorgeous day here in the Mid-South. A lot of sunshine. Eventually we'll see some thunderstorms moving into the Mid-South. Looks like around Sunday we could see some rain moving through, so some good time to practice some of those safety tips. But here out on the Wolf River, I'm ABC 24 meteorologist Cory Smith.